What you need is a really good life insurance policy.
Let's talk health insurance.
No, life insurance.
Dental.
No, not dental. Life insurance.
Yes, we're looking to buy car insurance.
No, before you die, you should get some life insurance.
Maybe your money's better spent on a hooker.
My name is John Ross with Finance on a Budget. In this video, we will be talking about two common types of life insurance options that you can use for your protection: whole insurance and term insurance. Since insurance policies are not one-size-fits-all kind of thing, some options are great for one individual that may not be applicable to another. Here, we will be talking about the difference between whole and term insurance. You can use this as a guide to help you find out which one suits your lifestyle and financial capabilities the best. What is term life insurance? The biggest key difference is that term insurance has a definitive end date. In the term life insurance, you, as the policyholder, will pay regular premiums for a predefined period of time or a set term. The term is how long the policy will stay active. So, if a policyholder passes away while the policy is still in effect, then the death benefit will be paid out to the beneficiaries. Since it's a limited life insurance, it's usually more affordable than whole life insurance. You can control what you want covered, especially if you predict that your financial obligations will change after a few years. It's up to you to decide the term of the insurance, and some policies can be renewable when the term expires. Some may even be converted into a whole life insurance plan. While term life insurance helps you manage your finances when you're in a pinch, and the initial cost is lower too, it may end up having a higher premium when the time comes for you to renew it. Pick a term life insurance only when you're in a temporary tight spot and you need to lower your premiums for a moment. For example, if you're on vacation and you plan on rock climbing, skydiving, and swimming with the sharks, that's a pretty eventful week, so you should probably get that pre-approved beforehand. But you get the idea. You only need term insurance for a week. In the real-world situation, you would normally only need it between policy coverages for whole life insurance. What is whole life insurance? As opposed to a limited duration of a term life insurance, whole life insurance stays in effect with you for your whole lifespan. It's a stress-free safety net, so you won't have to worry about becoming uninsurable down the line. Whole life insurance will also usually come with a cash value coupled with it, so it doubles as a low-yield investment as well. For instance, a portion of the monthly premiums you pay will go towards your insurance, while another portion will go towards the cash value as an investment, which can grow and withdraw over time. The thing is, whole life insurance can be more expensive than term, so it's more difficult to keep up with your obligations regularly, especially if you hit a temporary financial setback. This is the price of lifelong protection and the added component of receiving the tax-deferred cash value should you decide to withdraw or end the life insurance policy. The good news is that many insurance plans that allow you to pay premiums only for a limited number of years, as opposed to paying regularly throughout your whole life. These will, of course, be more expensive than regular premiums, but you can still opt for monthly, quarterly, or annual premiums depending on your financial outlook. However, Susie Orman has spent her entire career as a financial planner putting down term insurance for all the reasons previously discussed. However, technically, you only need to pick whole life insurance over term insurance if you want to help out your heirs with estate planning, or when you want to be able to grow those premiums over time to make sure that you have extra cash to spend for retirement or for their inheritance. The short answer: whole life insurance or term life insurance. Term life insurance covers you for a limited period of time, but is way cheaper than whole life insurance. Choose term if you're on a tight budget and you want the most affordable coverage for the time being. This is a good choice for those who are starting to raise children or paying off student loans or mortgage. This might be a better option for you too if you think that you can invest and grow your money better than your provider, for example, in a self-directed IRA. You can use the money that you save choosing term over whole life insurance and buy investment vehicles that you can earn even more. Whole life insurance is a lifelong protection with the option of adding the investment component you can grow over time. But this is way more expensive than term insurance. If you're well off, financially stable, and you don't see yourself having problems with paying larger amounts of money on a regular basis for the long period of time, then this might be the better choice for you. If you have a lifelong dependent, such as a child with disabilities, whole life insurance can fund a trust to provide care for your child after you're gone. Lastly, choose whole life insurance plan if you plan on spending your retirement savings but still want to leave some inheritance for your loved ones. Despite whatever Susie says, Whenever you choose one of these two options, keep in mind that both term and whole life insurance are better than having no insurance at all. The protection and peace of mind that an insurance policy provides is definitely worth it. This is a pretty quick topic, no need to drag it on for another 5 minutes. In fact, spend your time watching one of these other videos and learn something new. Be sure to subscribe, give this video a like, and leave a comment. If you would like to be notified about future content that I may be releasing in the future, ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching.